Hi everyone, I'm here with my buddy Cole in his apartment in Central Arkansas. And one of the beauties, if you like, or the benefits of being a landlord here is having the opportunity to charge people for the laundry if you're not able to provide it within your unit. So Cole, show us what you're doing. You come how often do you come to empty those machines?
Once a month.
Once a month? And how much do you pull every time that you come?
About $450, $500 for 30 units.
For 30 units, is it per machine or is it combined between the two machines?
All 4 machines.
So when we visited your house, you showed me the big sack full of coins.
Right.
How much do you have in that sack over there?
I've got probably $2-3 grand in quarters.
So what's the process to actually, redeem, if you like, those coins? Because
Just take it to the bank and they'll cash it for you.
okay, awesome.
Pretty nice.
Yes, that's a great ancillary income as we call. Stay tuned. See you soon. Make it happen.